What's going on, guys? It's Luca from Let's Flip Balisong, and today is a very special day because we have here the Nabalis Vulp by Nabalis, and also Will Hirsch, who I absolutely admire. Him and Brendan. So, let's open this up. And this is my first actual, good Balisong. Oh, this isn't working. This is my first good Balisong because this is just a cheap one I got off a market in Hong Kong. And so, let's use this. Okay. This thing is not sharp. Well, it is sharp, but not as sharp as I would like it to be. There we go. Does get the job done. And here we go. Look at that. The Nabalis Vulp. Okay, is there any... Yep, there's tape that I will quickly cut open. Oh my gosh. If you've seen my Instagram, then you know that I got this... I ordered this a couple days ago. And it just arrived, like, an hour ago. So, I can open it up. There we go. We have the Nabalis.com. It has instructions and stuff. But here is the actual Vulp. If I can get it out here. There we go. It comes with extra hardware, a screwdriver right there. Inside the bag, some Loctite or thread lock, Loctite, whatever you want to call it. Some super lube, and this is for the super lube, so it's like easier application, I'm pretty sure. But here we go. First look at the Nabalis Vulp. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, wow. Oh, that is way better than this. Wait. What? Okay, I didn't expect it to be this good. Oh, shoot. Oh. Oh, sorry. I'm just flabbergasted. There we go, behind the 8-ball. I need to get used to the weight, though. This is, I think, 4.7 or 4.8 ounces. And this is, like, 3 point something. Oh, shoot. This is 3 point something. So, let me just put this stuff away. Wow. You can see here we got the... Oh, let me get in the light. We got the Will Hirsch logo right there. And then the Nabalis logo right there. And... Oh, wow. It like has some... It looks like there's diamonds in there. That's cool. But, yeah. And, it has really nice jimping on the sides here. And this actually uses, oh, that was the bite handle. So, yeah, this uses, bushings instead of just washers. And bushings is basically where you can tighten this up as far as you want and it'll still swing. Oh, that's really good swing. And it spaces out the washers from the actual blade here. And yeah, I'm just obsessed. And out of the box tolerances, no tap. It moves a little bit, but no tap. The play, see that? There is little to no play. And this just feels really smooth. Oh, try that again. There we go. And for this special occasion, I will go open up a root beer. Okay, I am back with some A&W root beer, and let's crack it open. Get it in like this. There we go. Oh, whoop, that's a bit of messy. That's good. I get some tissues and clean this up. Don't want to get root beer on my new balisong knife. Oh, but yeah. I'm actually not going to leave it there. I'm going to leave it there. Then, so then I don't spill it. So the bottle opener right there also doubles as a bite handle indicator. And yeah, you don't want to get your finger in that. It doesn't hurt. It's just an unpleasant feeling when you go like that onto your finger a repeated amount of times. Chaplains are surprisingly good. I heard people say it was really hard to chaplain, or not hard to chaplain, but like you had to do big circles. But I can get in pretty tight here. And this doesn't use the pins like this. See on here, it has one pin there, one pin there. I forgot what that's called, but this uses Zen pins, and I do not believe that they are press fitted, but I don't really see a problem with that. I have heard that people have had problems with this, that they kept falling out, so they had to use their Loctite. But I don't really care. They're like this, as long as it flips. I mean, I don't care for tolerances or anything, because I had to deal with this thing where it locks up halfway, or even there, if it's not on a, like, if it's not falling down using gravity, you have to really, like, use it. But that's what I'm just used to. This is like cutting butter. I mean, oh, whoops, gotta get used to that. This is just mind-blowing. Yeah, this is just mind-blowing how smooth it is. And for the price, too. I mean, the price of this, Canadian dollars with taxes and everything, it totaled up to $91. But that is so worth it. No! Well, there goes a chip in my floor. Even know what hit. That is just so worth it. And I'm pretty sure this is supposed to resemble a foxtail. But yeah, anyway, this is just absolutely amazing. Just how well built this is. I mean, this is what I've had to use for, like, a long while. That's what I'm going to say. I can't remember how long. But this is insane. And thank you, Will Hirsch. Thank you, Brandon. Thank you, Nabalis, for creating this. For people like me who don't, like, I don't have a lot of spending money. This is all old stuff that I've collected over the years. Everything in my room since I was a baby. Like, I have some old baby toys in here still. But I'm working. I'm earning money now. I actually have a job. And saving up to get a balisong knife is just the best feeling ever. Oh my god. Oh, that feels nice. Ooh. Oh, you can get into it. What? Look, I have to give it a few before it. Am I crazy? Is that? That just feels nice. Oh, shoot. But yeah, this is absolutely amazing. And, I will be getting another unboxing video, but not for I will be doing another unboxing video, because for the Brandon Baker's first live stream, I actually won something. I won my first giveaway, which was a sick beanie from willhurst.gay. Go buy some stuff from them. Support them for making this absolute beast of a product. And also, they're really nice. They're really nice people. I haven't met them in real life, but like online, like talking to them, being in Brandon's live stream, they're really nice. And I've been watching their videos for a while, and they actually got me into Valve song clipping. And yeah, I want a beanie from them, and yeah, I'm gonna unbox that. So my camera's about to die, so I'll come back. I'm gonna flip this a bit, kind of get used to it, and yeah, I'll come back. See you later. Peace. So I realized I actually didn't film an outro to that. That's because I filmed another video where I was just walking around my neighborhood and flipping and talking about stuff, which will be my next video, which will come out probably either straight after this or a day after this. Well, I'll see what I can do because I'm going skiing tomorrow. Oh, there it goes. I'm going skiing tomorrow. But I'll try to edit it. Boom, that was clean. Okay, and yeah, so this thing is absolutely amazing. I added a rubber band here as a bite handle indicator, but it is sick. I've gotten used to it because it's the next day now, and my friends at school were like, "Oh my god, dude, that's sick!" Because my friend Jackson flips, and he has a cheap comb one, and yeah, so saw this, was like, awesome. So this is basically my outro. Talked about all this stuff, and just thank you for watching. This is my first head-mounted video, and yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.